As December arrives and frost settles in, many gardeners pause, waiting for spring. But winter is an invitation, not a stop sign. The outdoor garden may sleep, but inside, we can create a vibrant, living space, an indoor sanctuary that keeps us connected to growth. This shift from yard to windowsill is more than a change of scenery. It's a chance to nurture plants up close, noticing every new leaf and scent. Even in the coldest months, snipping fresh greens for a meal is a unique pleasure, a reminder that life thrives even in winter. Your indoor garden becomes a living part of your home, brightening grey days and filling the air with the scent of fresh herbs. The tools may be smaller, but the joy is just as big. Let's embrace the season, bringing our gardening skills indoors and turning winter's quiet into a new adventure. With patience and care, we'll create a thriving, edible garden that sustains us until spring. The gardener's work is never done, and that's a beautiful thing. Building your indoor garden starts with a simple foundation. Sturdy shelves, seed trays, and a nearby power outlet. Even a small corner or spare room can become a productive growing area. Use standard seed trays, one with drainage holes nested inside a solid tray, to keep watering tidy and efficient. For warmth, place heat mats under your trays. They gently warm the soil, encouraging seeds to sprout. Hang LED grow lights just above each tray for strong, energy-efficient light. This modular setup is flexible. Start with one shelf and expand as you grow more confident. Each shelf becomes a self-contained growing station, ready for your first seeds. The hum of lights and warmth of the mats transform any space into a winter garden. With this simple system, you're ready to bring life indoors, no greenhouse required. The essentials are in place. Let's get growing. Your winter sanctuary is just beginning. Winter seeds need a little encouragement, especially in December's chill. While mature greens tolerate cold, seeds crave warmth to break dormancy and sprout. Heat mats are your secret weapon, warming the soil to spring-like temperatures and speeding up germination. Place your trays on the mat, sow seeds in moist starter mix, and cover with plastic wrap to hold in humidity. In days, you'll see tiny shoots, much faster than waiting in cold soil. Once seedlings have true leaves, move them off the mat to make room for new trays. This cycle keeps your indoor garden productive and efficient. Warmth at the roots is the first step to a lush winter harvest. In December, sunlight is scarce, so your plants rely on you for their daylight. Hang LED grow lights just inches above your trays, raising them as seedlings grow. For fuller, stronger plants, add side lighting with extra LED strips or small lamps. This three-sided illumination helps prevent spindly stems and encourages bushy growth. Run your lights on a timer for 14 to 16 hours a day to mimic long summer days. With light from above and the sides, your greens will thrive, even on the darkest days. Healthy, resilient plants start with the right light. Your indoor garden is now set to flourish. Add flavor and fragrance to your winter garden with a dedicated herb shelf. Small pots of rosemary, thyme, mint, and more fit perfectly on a top shelf or sunny windowsill. Use terracotta pots for herbs that like to dry out, and keep mint in its own container to prevent takeover. A single overhead LED strip is usually enough for herbs. Snip fresh sprigs for cooking and enjoy the scents that fill your home. Herbs are easy, rewarding, and bring a taste of summer to your kitchen all winter long. Your herb haven is a daily delight. Craving a quick harvest? Microgreens deliver in just 1 to 2 weeks. Sow seeds densely in shallow trays of moist soil. Radish, broccoli, mustard, and cress are favourites. Cover for a few days to encourage long stems, then move under your grow lights. In days, you'll have a lush carpet of greens ready to snip. Microgreens are packed with flavor and nutrients, perfect for salads and garnishes. Harvest, compost the roots, and start again for a steady supply. Fast, fresh, and satisfying. Microgreens keep your garden productive while larger crops mature. Instant gratification. Homegrown. Watering from below is the secret to healthy indoor plants. Pour water into the solid tray, then set your planted tray inside. Roots will wick up moisture as needed. This method keeps leaves dry, reduces disease, and prevents pests like fungus gnats. After 15-30 minutes, remove excess water to avoid root rot. Bottom watering encourages deep roots and keeps the soil surface drier. It's simple, clean, and takes the guesswork out of watering. Consistent moisture means happier, stronger plants. Your indoor garden will thank you. As seedlings grow, your job shifts to nurturing them with light, water, and a little food. Keep lights just above the plants, raising them as needed. Stick with bottom watering, checking soil moisture every few days. When true leaves appear, start feeding with diluted liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. Don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Add a small fan for gentle air circulation. It strengthens stems and prevents disease. These small details, light, water, food, air, are the heart of indoor gardening. Consistent care transforms seedlings into a thriving crop. Your greens are on their way to the table. The transformation is rewarding to watch. After weeks of care, your indoor garden is a lush, edible oasis. Harvest greens with the cut and come again method. Snip outer leaves, let the center regrow. Enjoy fresh, crisp flavors that far surpass store-bought produce. Each meal becomes a celebration of your effort and ingenuity. Your indoor garden is more than food. It's a source of joy and light in winter's darkness. You've learned to work with the seasons, growing abundance year-round. Sit down to a meal from your own harvest and savor the satisfaction. This is the true reward of winter gardening.